In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make your first $1,000 online, and I'm going to do better than that. I'm going to teach you how you can make $1,000 a day. How does that sound? You don't need to do affiliate marketing. You don't need a website. You don't need previous experience. I believe this video is the easiest money-making method I've ever posted here on the channel. Literally, anyone can do it. If you don't subscribe, you could miss the future videos. So with all that out of our way, let's get straight into the computer and start making money. So the first website that you need to head over to is Instagram.com. Don't worry, you don't need to have a huge social media following. As you guys can see, I only have 1,997 followers on my Instagram account. I'm not hugely famous on Instagram, but it would work if I had 0 followers on my Instagram account. You don't need a huge following. You don't need anything. If you don't have an Instagram account, you can literally just create one right now. Use your email, username, a password, and that is it. Basically, we're going to need an Instagram account to perform this method. It doesn't matter if it's new or old, you just need an Instagram account. So the second website that we're going to be heading to today is viralrace.co. And don't worry, you won't have to spend any money with this website. All this website does is it allows you to buy Instagram followers, likes, and views. But the good thing is these followers that you're going to buy from this website are real active followers. And like I said, you won't have to buy them. Don't worry, I'm going to explain to you what you're going to do. Just relax and enjoy the ride. So go ahead and click on buy real followers, and it's going to show you a list of prices. And as you can see here, it has 100 followers for $2.99, 500 followers for $6.99. 1,000 followers costs $13, $12.99. So as you can see, the more followers you buy, the better a discount you get. So if you buy 10,000 followers and you get it for $99.99, which is $100, you get 10,000 followers. Like I explained, even if you have $0 in your bank account, you're going to be able to still perform this method. So don't worry. So what you want to do is you want to go to fameswap.com. Fameswap.com is a website where you can buy and sell Instagram accounts, YouTube channels, all that kind of stuff, right? You're not going to be buying anything. You're not going to be selling anything. Just trust me. Let's go. So I'm going to click on browse right here on the top, and we're going to be seeing some people selling their accounts. And if you take a look, most of these accounts, this guy has 10K followers and his account is selling for $235. And this guy here has 17,000 followers and his account is selling for $7,000. So if this guy here had about, 8,000 followers more, he could potentially gain almost $7,000 more than what he's charging right now for his Instagram account that he's selling, right? So basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to go back to viralrace.co, and you can see here 10,000 followers is $99.99, so it's $100, right? What you have to do here is you have to get in touch with the guy that's selling that social media account, and you're going to offer your services for him for a additional fee. And how does this work? You're not going to tell him that you're going to be getting these followers from Viral Race. You're going to offer your services. So what you're going to do is drop servicing. You're going to offer your service to that guy selling that account, and you're going to say something along these lines, that like you're going to say, hey, I can see that you're leaving so much money on the table. This guy is charging $7,000 for his account, and because of 7,000 followers, you're not going to be charging $7,000 for your account. What I can do for you here is I have a company that offers real engaging followers to your Instagram account, and what you can do is you can get 10,000 followers for $300. Let's say $400. You can set your own rates. Just set something realistically so you don't scare off the customer, and you point out the benefits for that guy. You show him that he's going to be able to make a lot more money. If he purchases the followers from you, he's going to be making a lot more money, and it's obvious that it's going to happen. So he's selling his account for $235, and he's going to pay you, let's say he pays you $400, and he sells his account for $7,000. That's already $6,600 in his pocket, on top of the $235 that he's going to be charging. So his actual profit is going to be $6,365. You can just imagine what he's going to feel when you offer them your services. The name of this service that you're going to be offering him is drop servicing. And when he pays you the $300, let's say you charge $300. When he pays you the $300, all you have to do is you have to come here on viralrace.co, and you're going to purchase 10,000 followers for him for $99, and you're going to profit the rest. Let's say you charge $300, you're going to profit $200. If you charge $400, you're going to profit $300, right? So it's basically very, very straightforward. I don't even have to teach you anything. I'm just teaching you the concept. It's so simple that anyone can do this. You can literally start doing this right now. And if you're asking yourself, but Reese, how do I get in touch with these guys? How do I speak to them? How do I make an offer to them? Basically, what you have to do is first create an account in fameswap.com, and to that, all you need is your email and a username and a password. After you created your account, you come here to browse. You click on browse right at the top of the website, and it's going to show you a list of people selling their accounts. As you can see see here, there's 210 pages. I think there's even more than that. So there's infinite number of pages of people that you can offer these services to. And all you have to do to get in touch with them is just click their username. And when you click their username, you have to contact the seller. When you click contact the seller, you're not going to offer him your services through this website because they're going to charge you lots of fees. What you want to do is you want to ask him for his social media username, and that's why you created your Instagram account. When he gives you the social media handle for the account that he's selling, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here into Instagram and you're gonna search him on the search bar, and when you find him, you're gonna send her a direct message, what we call a DM, and you're gonna offer him your services through Instagram, and that's how you're gonna close the client. So it's super easy to do. That's basically all you have to do to start making money with this method. There's nothing much I can say to you guys anymore. If you have any further questions, you can just leave it down in the comments and I'll get back to you ASAP. But please follow the step-by-step that I'm teaching you guys in this video. If you don't follow the step-by-step, then you're probably not going to have success. Watch the video if you have to 2-3 times to understand the concept. Once you have understood, just go back, rewind, watch it again, create the accounts, reach the social media account owner, send them your offer through Instagram, make sales, make money. That's all I have for you today. I hope you like this video. If you still want more, then you can click this video right here to watch this money making method that I prepared directly for you. And I hope to see you there. Work hard, play harder.